Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Max Bounty. Max Bounty is a premier cost per action, or CPA, affiliate network that connects affiliates like you with a wide array of advertisers. You can earn commissions by successfully driving specific actions, such as generating leads or completing sales, for these advertisers. The platform features thousands of active campaigns across many different niches, providing ample opportunities to monetize your traffic effectively. To get started with Max Bounty, you will first complete a detailed online application. Be sure to provide accurate personal and contact information. A crucial step is the mandatory phone interview with an affiliate manager, typically within 1 to 3 days of applying. During this call, you will discuss your past affiliate marketing experience and outline your planned traffic generation methods. Having a valid photo ID ready for verification will also help accelerate your approval. Once approved, you can explore thousands of offers across diverse niches, including finance, health, and e-commerce. Carefully analyze each offer's details, such as its payout, conversion rate, and permitted traffic sources, to find the best fit. You will then generate unique tracking links for your chosen campaigns. It is highly recommended to use a landing page to pre-sell or warm up your audience before directing them to the advertiser's offer page, which can significantly improve your conversion rates. Max Bounty offers flexible payment methods, including PayPal, wire transfers, and checks, with payments typically issued weekly after your first monthly payout. A minimum balance of $100 is required before you can receive your earnings. To maximize your success, continuously test different offers and traffic sources to identify what performs best. Additionally, take advantage of your dedicated affiliate manager, who can provide valuable insights and support to help optimize your campaigns and grow your income.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.